Good afternoon. My name is Andrian Lozano from Charlie 2. Recitation Lesson 1-4.
Number 1. Is preliminary investigation a constitutional right? The answer is no. Number 2. When can there be a preliminary investigation? The answer is it is required to be conducted before the filing of a complaint or information for an offense where the penalty prescribed by law is at least 4 years, 2 months, and 1 day without regard to the fine. Number 3. From the filing of the complaint, the investigating officer has blank to decide if it is not for dismissal or issuance of subpoena. The answer is 10 days. Number 4. It is an inquiry or proceeding to determine whether there is sufficient ground to engender a well-founded belief that a crime has been committed and the respondent is probably guilty thereof and should be held for trial. The answer is preliminary investigation. Number 5. Is the mayor authorized to conduct a preliminary investigation? The answer is no. Number 6. Which is not belong to the group? The answer is summary proceedings. Number 7. Which is not belong to the group? The answer is to present the government or state during the prosecution of the case against the accused. Number 8. Blank is an accusation in writing charging a person with an offense subscribed by the prosecutor and filed with the court. The answer is information. Number 9. It is thus a prosecutorial arm of the government and it is under the supervision and control of the Department of Justice. The answer is National Prosecution Service. Number 10. Blank is a sworn written statement charging a person with an offense subscribed by the offended party. Any peace officer or public officer charges with the enforcement of the law violated. The answer is complaint. Number 11. Blank referred to an informal and summary investigation conducted by a public prosecutor in criminal cases involving person arrested and detained without the benefit of warrant. The answer is inquest. Number 12. Blank refers to the person who is quasi-judicial officer which he assures full discretion and control over a criminal case in the administration of justice, and represent the government or the people of the Philippines in a criminal proceeding in the court of law? The answer is prosecutor. Number 13. Blank is the process or method whereby accusation are brought from the court of justice to determine the guilt or innocence of the accused. The answer is prosecution. Number 14. Some authors refers to blank as the traffic cop of the criminal justice process. The answer is prosecutor. The last is 15. Who subscribe information? The answer is prosecutor.